Hi, my name is Mark, and today I'd like to talk to you about substrate preparation specifically for concrete. That means the following. Here we've got 3 different grinding or substrate preparation mechanisms. It starts quite simply with bush hammering on the right, continues here to the left with regular Whittier grinders, or here accordingly also with a PCD grinding wheel. You generally know one, and that's ordinary grinding, where something is simply removed from the substrate. For example, adhesion-reducing substances such as concrete slurries. In comparison, the bush hammering is a bit more intense. That means the substrate gets destroyed. The pores are significantly better opened to achieve simply one thing, the ideal key. To start with this version, here we have a PCD grinding wheel. You can see the teeth on the wheel here, which also means existing coatings can be removed with this, as well as concrete abraded. This basically has the same effect as the segment grinding wheel here, only much more efficient, with much more background. That means much more flexible in application. Now I'll show you how this works, but don't forget one thing: if you want to work with our regular primers on concrete, like our normal PMMA primers, or even Alsan Flash and Quadro Pro, you have to be aware of the maximum 5% residual moisture. The first surface has been ground. Let's carry on with the next one. It's easy to imagine this without suction, without ear defenders, is extremely unpleasant. That's why it's very important to work with a vacuum cleaner and ear protection. We continue with bush hammering. The whole thing was ground. So here you see huge differences now. The left slate was only ground. That means the surface is relatively smooth. Here everything is significantly rougher. Consequently, a much better bonding strength is achieved here, so everything is completely removed. After the surface has been completely ground or bush hammered, one thing is of course very important, and that's to completely remove the excess dust from the surface. That means the ground off material that the vacuum cleaner did not pick up. Here you can see this particularly well. And that's everything about substrate preparation on concrete. Thank you.